Pronouns. A pronoun is the word that takes the place of a noun. A word used instead of a noun, it is a substitute for a noun. For example is I, me, my, you, your, he, she, it, us, we, they, them, his, her, their, mine, our, myself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, themselves, ourselves, yourself, who, whose, whom, anybody, anyone, everybody, nobody, someone, and somebody. The noun which the pronoun refers is called the antecedent atau mendahului. For example is Alan got off work at 7. Then he went home. So the pronoun is he and Alan is antecedent. So another example is Susan said that she was sorry. So the antecedent here is Susan and the pronoun is she. Pronoun have 6 types. So number 1 is possessive, is including mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, whose, theirs. Number 2 is demonstrative, is including this, that, these, those. Number 3 is adjective, me, you, him, her, it, us, whom, them. Number 4 is subjective, is including I, you, he, she, it, we, who, they. Number 5 is reflexive, is including myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, and themselves. Number 6 is indefinite, is including anybody, everybody, nobody, and somebody. Pronouns can be demonstrative. The example is this is mine, that is yours, these are broken, those are sweet. These pronouns fall into these categories is personal and possessive pronouns, reflexive and intensive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, and independent pronouns. So right now we talk about personal and possessive pronouns. A personal pronoun refers to specific person or thing by indicating the person speaking or the first person, the person being addressed or the second person, or any other person or the thing being discussed or the third person. Personal pronouns all express number. They are either singular or plural. The first person singular is I and me. The plural is we and us. Second person singular is you, and the plural is the same, is you. The third person singular is he, him, she, her, it, and the plural is they and them. So the example is I kept the dog. I refers to the person speaking, and the dog was afraid of you. The personal pronouns include several forms that indicate possession or ownership. A possessive pronoun takes the place of possessive form of a noun. Possessive pronoun first person singular is my and mine. The plural is our and ours. The second person is your and yours, and the plural is the same, your and yours. The third person is his, her, hers, and its. The plural is their and theirs. Some possessive forms are used before nouns. Other possessive forms can be used by themselves. Notice that possessive pronouns do not contain an apostrophe. Used before a noun, take your bathing suit. Reflexive and intensive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to certain personal or possessive pronoun. A reflexive pronoun refers or reflects back to a noun or pronoun earlier in the sentence. A reflexive pronoun always adds information to a sentence. The example is, you outdid yourself when you wrote that song. So, yourself refers to the pronoun you. And also intensive pronouns add emphasis to another noun or pronoun in the same sentence. The example is the team itself chose the captain. So itself refers to the team. Interrogative and relative pronouns. An interrogative pronouns is used to form questions like who, whom, whose, what, and which. The interrogative pronouns include that form whoever, whomever, whichever, and whatever. A relative pronoun is used to begin special subject-verb word group called subordinate clause, like who, whom, whose, whoever, whomever, whosever, which, whichever, and whatever. An indefinite pronouns refers to the person, place, or things in a more general way than a noun does. It's like everyone needs food. The indefinite pronouns everyone refers to people in general. And other is like did you get enough to eat? The indefinite pronouns enough refers to a general, not a specific amount.